Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get an Infiniti EX35 key replacement in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. In addition, I will go over Infiniti EX35 key replacement cost, type of key, coding information, and some great tips to save you a lot of time and money. And of course, if you need any help, you can contact us 24/7 and we will connect you with a locksmith nearby. So, Infiniti EX35 has one type of key, which is a key fob. Let's go over it. Between 2008 and 2013, we have a key fob with a part number 285E31BA2A, which requires coding on site with a special machine. Now it's time for tip number 1. There are many different key fobs and transponder keys that looks exactly the same. However, they have different chip value inside them, and if you get the wrong key, you get the wrong chip. The wrong chip, and you will not be able to start the car. So always remember to provide a locksmith or dealer either the exact year, make and model of your car or the VIN number. For example, 2013 Infiniti EX35. Now let's go over Infiniti EX35 key replacement cost. You have 3 options to get a replacement, and the price varies depending on where you get your new key. First, get a key online and then have a locksmith or dealer cut and program it for you. Second, call an automotive locksmith who can come and make you a key and code it on site. And third, tow the car to the dealer. Online, you can get it for about $40 and total about $230 for cutting and coding the key. A locksmith should charge you about $250 for on-site service at your location, and the dealer about $350. The following is very important to remember. If you buy a key online, you will have to code a transponder key with a special machine, like this one. You cannot do it yourself. Either the locksmith or the dealer will have to do it for you. While some makes and models keys can be coded without a special machine, it is not the case for Infiniti EX35 models and keys. Before we continue, a quick word about a spare set. Making an additional key when you already have a working key is much cheaper and faster. Therefore, we highly recommend getting 2 keys in case you lose all your keys, as the second key should cost less than half. Now, some tips to save you a lot of time and money. First, call a few locksmiths, get a few quotes. This is very important, as some locksmiths are very busy on a given day and some aren't. Use it for your advantage. Second, try to call a few companies, even if they are not located right next to your location. Most locksmiths offer a mobile service, sometimes up to 30-mile radius. So even though the business address might be far from you, they might be helping the customer right next to you. Third, try to schedule an appointment, if you can wait a while. Most locksmiths would prefer to give you a 10, even 15% discount if you can wait while they finish another job. This way, it can work out for everybody. You get a discount, they get a job. Ask for it. Don't be shy. Finally, just like a mortgage, try to negotiate. If you find a better quote, tell them. Who knows? Maybe they will give you a better one. For more great tips, you can read our blog post about car key replacement cost. That's it. I hope you liked this video. I would really appreciate if you can comment below to help other people and tell us how much you paid. And of course, if you need help, just give us a call. Thank you very much.